Data is the lifeblood of your strategic business applications. Every customer interaction you have, product you deliver, transaction, or case you process, they all depend on and generate data. Your applications, especially those that automate processes or make real-time decisions, need to manage data efficiently and securely. That's easier said than done because your data is created and stored all over your company and in the cloud, in different systems and formats. Too often, data access is procedural, which means it's hand-coded into your applications. Process definitions end up littered with the details of system integrations rather than clearly reflecting a business objective. Applications become complicated, hard to change, and inefficient, often accessing far more data than is actually needed, or looking up the same piece of information multiple times. Pega Live Data is like a heart that keeps your data healthy and flowing to the applications that need it, at the very instant that they need it. Live Data provides a data virtualization layer, separating how your business apps use data from the plumbing, the technical details of how and when it's accessed. With Live Data, you define data objects in business terms, such as customer or product or transaction details. Developers can declare how data is mapped from existing sources and services into your business data objects and how the data is accessed and cached. They can import existing data definitions and define multiple data sources for each data object, allowing your application to have a single view of business data, even if that data is coming from multiple systems. When your application needs to access data, it simply references your Live Data object. Live Data automatically retrieves the data from external systems or reuses data it has in cache. Live Data can even predict and prefetch additional data that your process or decision logic will need later. And Live Data intelligently adapts to the context in which it's used, which means different parts of your business can reuse the same data objects, selecting the right data sources for each situation. Live Data liberates your valuable data from the mundane details of where and how it's physically stored. By encapsulating a business view of data, you insulate your applications from changes to underlying data sources, triggered by mergers or system consolidation. Your applications are not shackled to your legacy data sources, but are free to evolve to meet the changing needs of your business. Our world is constantly changing. Only Pega lets you build for change.